Hello students, welcome to biology online classes. How are you doing guys? I hope you all are well and I wish you should be well. Today in this module I am going to teach you about one of the important subtopic in the chapter, the transportation system of human body, that is structure of the heart. It is very important for 4 marks. Listen carefully. Look at the board. It is the imaginary diagram of heart. Almost and approximately the structure of the heart appears like this. So the upper part of the heart is called anterior part and the lower part is called posterior part. So this is the anterior part and this is the posterior part. Are you clear? Now I am going to explain outer line, means external structure of heart. The first we are going to discuss about external structure of heart. Actually, heart located between two lungs. Heart located between two lungs, slightly towards the left side. Are you clear? What is the first point? Heart located between two lungs, slightly towards the left side. The heart present inside of rib cage. We have a rib at here, so that the heart is protected by this rib cage. Approximately each and every human heart is equal to their fist. Actually the heart shape is pear shape. So shape of the heart is pear shape. Pear shape, like a pear fruit, you know, that type of the shape. If you observe the outer line of the heart, if we take the outer line of the heart is triangle in shape, means it is wider at upper part, means anterior part, and narrow at the posterior part. So if you draw a imaginary line, outer line, so it is triangle in outer line. It is a triangle in outer line. And also look at here, there are two membranes around the heart. There are two membranes around the heart. These two membranes are called pericardial membranes. We can write heart surrounded by two membranes, or two membranous structures are enclosed the heart. The two membranes are called pericardial membranes. Pericardial membranes. It is very important for the bit for your examinations, competitive as well as for your 10th class. The membranes that covers heart, pericardial membranes. Pericardial membranes. These pericardial membranes, between this pericardial membrane there is a fluid between, as we discussed, there are two pericardial membranes. Between the gap of these two pericardial membranes there is a fluid. That fluid is called pericardial fluid. What is that? Pericardial fluid. What is the name of the fluid that is present between the pericardial membranes? It is pericardial fluid. What are the main functions of this pericardial membrane and pericardial fluid? Yes, absolutely, you are correct. To protect the heart. So this pericardial membrane and pericardial fluid protects the heart from jerks and shocks. So this pericardial membrane and pericardial fluid protects the heart from jerks and shocks. This is about external structure of heart. Are you clear? What is the external features of the heart? Yes, heart is pear in shape. The outer line of the heart is triangle. The heart covered with the two membranes, they are called pericardial membranes. These pericardial membranes filled with a fluid, that fluid is called pericardial fluid. The main function of pericardial membrane and pericardial fluid is protection of the heart from jerks and shocks. This is about outer structure of the heart. What about internal structure of the heart? If we dissect heart of the mammalian, now I am going to explain internal features of the heart. Let's start.